You don't need a massive TV, a $1,000 soundbar, or a dark velvet-draped cinema room to create the ultimate family movie night. What you really need is a little space, the right tools, and a clear idea of the vibe you want to create. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to build a cinematic home movie night setup on a budget and make it look like a Pinterest dream, all without filming a single thing yourself. Think glowing projector light on a soft white wall. Let's upgrade the sound. Most built-in projector speakers are fine for 1 or 2 people, but if you want immersion, pair your projector with a Bluetooth speaker. Cinex supports Bluetooth 5.0, so syncing is instant. Ideal budget picks: JBL Flip, Sony SRS-XB13, or even the Mevi Roam 2. Place the speaker just below or behind the screen to bounce the sound back into the room. Here's what it all looks like when you bring it together. The projector casting a warm glow, soft shadows flickering across the room, fairy lights twinkling in the background, and your snacks perfectly lit in the foreground. Every detail adds to the story, and the best part? All of this can be created for under $100 if you already own a smartphone and a speaker. So to recap, you need a decent projector, a clean white surface, ambient warm lighting, soft textures like blankets and cushions, a Bluetooth speaker if possible, and well-placed snacks. Every single one of these elements is searchable online. First, let's enhance the projection. Even if you're using a budget projector, you can squeeze out surprisingly crisp visuals with 2 simple adjustments: focus and keystone correction. Use the projector's manual focus ring to sharpen edges, especially text on screen. Then adjust the keystone to square the image. It should look perfectly rectangular from your viewing angle. Next, let's level up the lighting. This is what makes your setup feel cinematic. You want 3 light zones. Primary glow. This is the projector beam itself. Ambient fill. Soft, indirect lighting from fairy lights, a salt lamp, or a floor lamp placed off screen. Accent mood. Optional highlights like LED strip lights behind your cushions, under a table, or around a window frame. Now let's talk about sound. If you're pairing a Bluetooth speaker, place it strategically. Directly below or behind the projector works best, bouncing sound toward viewers. Want to go deeper? Add a second Bluetooth speaker across the room for a pseudo surround effect. This is where we help you actually live the experience. Start by turning off every bright light in the room. That ceiling light? Gone. You want only the warm glow of your fairy lights, a soft lamp in the corner, or maybe just the projector beam lighting up the space. Let the shadows dance on the wall. Let the mood take over. Now place your projector. Position it 6 to 8 feet away from the wall or bed sheet. Align it dead center. Adjust the focus until the edges of the screen are sharp. If your projector has auto keystone correction, like Cinex does, it'll handle the angle. If not, adjust manually until the screen looks rectangular and straight. Don't overthink it, just get it looking clean. Then mirror your phone screen or plug in your Fire Stick. Choose your movie, a classic, something your family loves, something that makes you feel like a kid again. That's the heart of this night. Now lay out the final touches. Blankets on the floor, cushions stacked against the wall, your snack tray set up nearby, popcorn in a big bowl, juice or soda in mason jars, a couple of chocolates or cookies on the side. It's not just about the movie, it's about comfort, connection, and making your space feel special. Press play. Watch how the glow fills the room, how everyone slowly stops talking and gets pulled in. Watch the smiles, the laughter, the silence during emotional scenes. This is what home cinema is really about. It's not the specs. It's not 4K or Dolby Atmos. It's this, the shared experience of watching something together, uninterrupted. That's what we built this for. That's what Cinex was designed to support. Not just screen mirroring or portability, but effortless, immersive moments like this. If you're using it, great. If not, any projector that gets you to this point, that creates this moment, is doing the job. So if you're watching this video right now thinking, Maybe I should do this tonight. The answer is yes. Don't wait. You don't need perfect conditions or expensive tech. Just dim the lights, hang a bedsheet, turn on your projector, and let the story begin. Because sometimes, the smallest setups create the biggest memories. And trust me, your family will talk about this night for a long time.